My name is Devin Hampton, and my wife and I went on an internship to Kiribati. Where in the world
Where is
Kiribati? Kiribati is this tiny little atoll in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. It's surrounded by water.
I thought I was going to go meet people, learn their culture, teach them how to live more sustainably through hydroponics, and just teach people hydroponics and teach people these sustainability projects.
My wife is a double major in intercultural peace building and communications, and I'm a double major in business management and accounting.
It was a little bit of that, but it was a lot more of, I did get to know people and I did get to know the culture a lot better than I had previous, but it was a lot more of businessy stuff. Like I helped them expand their idea of what their business or their NGO could be, and also help them prepare an online presence. By understanding their culture and working with people from their culture, could find something that really connects with the Kiribati people.
I think the four majors that my wife and I are studying provided a vision and a sense of well-roundedness to the projects that we were trying to implement on the island. For me, the internship provided an opportunity to see beyond the experiences and my scope of understanding that I've gained in the past 24 years of living. It was like an accelerated course at what business is like, what being on your own and having an entrepreneurial spirit is like, what managing work and family balance.
I think that in the future, my experiences in Kiribati with the Kiribati people and with the NGO that I worked with will help me be more of a self-starter and be someone who can go in confidently into the workplace and say, hey, I have value, I know I can help you, these are the ways I can help you, because I've practiced those things in real time.
To anybody wanting to go on an internship in the future, I would say, heck yeah.
I would say it'll be a life-changing experience.
Really shows you your own potential as an employee and as a member of organizations in the future.